So if you saw the service video to this, and if I turn off the overhead camera, we have got a Midland 98 Plus. The Plus with this daft ESP thing, which I'll demonstrate to you, is no help at all. Not heard anybody on it. It's exceedingly good sensitivity, and it's we've tuned it in the centre of the band because it's an 80 channel set. The customer didn't say what, so I've done it as 80. Normally our default would be UK 40, but he probably wasn't aware of that, so I did it 80. And it's doing 3.5 watts. Came in doing 3.1, so we've gained a little bit there. There we are. So go to Mega Chippie channel, making sure we're on UK, because it only says in this tiny little window what you're on. We'll be testing it on CEPT, and I've had to clean the microphone switch as well as the I've changed the speaker coupling capacitor to the amplifier, which had been arcing for years, and been through it for potential dry joints. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug in my extension speaker.
Yep, roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Right, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. There was a time when all our cars had got these sets in, but I didn't realise the scan only went round once, and that's why I bought them.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
No, we're not late, but there we go. Roger on that.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, go straight through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
We've got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Midland at 98 plus. A PR27 9780 channel FM set. We'll get to 5 mile point. Well, ready to work. Just over 1 hour.
Yep, Roger, no problems. Audio seems a bit low, but that might be you with the microphone, I don't know.
Right, well, I'll talk absolutely as it should be, and 31.345, the deviation I'm going to show you is correct, over.
Yeah, that's better.
There's probably an electric on the...
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over to the top.
Roger.
Roger, got you. I think help you.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, at the 5 mile point, and just, right, I'm on this Midland 98 plus radio, and it is doing 3.5 watts output, and doesn't have low power because it's PR2797 set, so can I catch you on CEPT over?
Yep, roger.
21, Mr. Chippie, CEPT.
Yep, roger, receiving you loud and clear, no problems.
Okay, now go back to UK, please.
Roger.
To do, I've got something called EST mode. I want to demonstrate how rubbish this is.
Roger, so would you want me to talk, or are you going to talk to me?
Yes, I've activated it. It only affects receive, over.
I assume you've demonstrated it then.
Yeah, I have. Off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger at the 5 mile point. I'm just, yes, right. I'm on this Midland 98 Plus radio, and it is doing 3.5 watts output, and it doesn't have low power because it's a PR2797 set. So can I catch you on CEPT FM over?
Yeah, roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, CEPT FM.
Yeah, roger, receiving you loud and clear, no problems.
Okay, now go back to UK, please.
Roger.
I've got a further little test to do. I've got something called ESP mode. I want to demonstrate how rubbish it is.
Roger, so what do you want me to talk? Or are you going to talk to me?
Yes, I've activated it. It only affects receive over.
Yep, roger that. I think you've demonstrated it then.
Yeah, I have. Off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Right, we're square wheeled up the level crossing.
You have to give us a fairy tale on the kind of train it is then.
Roger that. You might see it, but you might not, because I think the battery's about to give up on the white camera.
You might have just seen the train before the battery gave up on the main cam.
Okay, Roger on that. What train was it?
Standard multiple units in.
Yep, Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossville Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yep, it'll be 137.9, 144.7.
Excellent, that worked absolutely great. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that.
10:10. What a shame the camera ran out. One of the problems is we've had it in the car for 3 days, kind of on standby. Keep trying to do different on the air tests and everything failing. Anyway, there we go. We've got the Midland 98 Plus there. That can go back to the customer. We'll just see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 98 Plus into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original mic. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. So tomorrow what we're going to do, see if we can do a bit more with the G call you haven't seen yet, or put that Unit 300 base station together. Let's see. Thanks for watching Midland 98 Plus from around about the year 2000.